Good morning. Good morning again. So we had a team meeting. It's 9:35. I need to go. Here we go. I had to vlog Caitlin.
Good morning. I have beautiful beets. Look at how gorgeous that is. That color. And I'm guessing when it opens, it's gonna be like, what's that?
And these gorgeous carrots.
Oh yeah, it's one of these ones. Well, I'm not gonna cut it because I have to just peel it, but it's one of these like beautiful pink and white ones.
Okay, basil.
Yes.
We got marinara sauce. Cabbage. Look at all of this gorgeousness. Okay, so I'm off to ballet. We will see the result of this in a couple hours.
Yes. This is going to turn into something.
Magic.
I know. It's kind of amazing.
Yes. On the grass. Did you see the grass this morning?
No.
It's growing. It's really cute. Yeah, of course. And here's the morning glory growing up. Oh, yay. Okay. Off to Bowie. Hi. Hi. Check out Jess's hair. She's got a rad new hairstyle. What's it called? Is it called?
What is it called? The Raggedy Ann?
The curly veg galaxy look.
It only comes out on special occasions.
Yeah. I can't wait to show you my grass.
Oh,
I'm really my grass. My grass. It's growing.
yay.
It's really cute. So we had a nice ballet class. I didn't film any. And now we're going home. And Eva's coming and Rachel's coming, right?
Yep.
And then it's Holy Shift and sessions and stuff. Oh, and Caitlin's cooking. Check out this thing. You can't really see it. It's a bus. It's called The Ride. It says the interactive
Entertainment experience.
the interactive entertainment experience. And all of the people are sitting sideways looking out. It's really weird. I want to see what it is. We should do it. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. It smells really good. Smells really good. Ah, the fucking laughs. Oh, oh, what a lovely scene to return to. Look at this amazingness.
Amazingness.
Looks so amazing.
So flavor.
And the grass! And this amazingness. And this lovely one. And this. And now I need to actually eat it. Oh, the butterfly! Oh, the butterfly. Eva's here.
Hi guys.
We just had Holy Shift. Eva experienced her first Holy Shift session. Do you have any words for yourself or for everyone? How was it?
It's awesome. I'm yawning a lot.
Yeah.
I'm now surprised why, although I had really good night's sleep.
That's good.
Yeah.
It's good. That's processing. Ah, it was all to do with shoulders. We had a whole, like, connecting to your shoulders and listening to them and, like, that real deep wisdom that comes through them. It was really sweet. Very sweet. It's one of these kind of days today.
Laura's going bananas after a full day of sessions.
Catch me!
No. Hey, Caitlin's here. Jess is here.
No, I'm not gonna catch you.
Jess is leaving. I'm checking myself out in the mirror.
Can you just tell the vlog some of the fun
Look
stuff?
at my OOTD. Gina and Jean.
I had a nice time with Rachel. I pulled her around the living room by her feet on the beanbag. Have I done that
Oh, that sounds so
with
fun.
you? Have I done it with you?
No.
Have I done it with you? Okay, so you guys will all get it soon.
Good.
We had a very nice time. It's really cool. And a very nice session. And then I did this after. And we just talked to, what's her name? Meow Girl?
Meow.
Mirror. So Caitlin and I going for a bike ride. That's not a light. It's under the seat. Kind of. Where is it?
And I'm just telling you. And he was like, this makes me incredibly upset. I have words for the blog. Feel all feelings, even the feelings you don't feel comfortable with, because we're all essential and healthy and a part of the experience. And when you feel them, you can then be joyful. You don't have to like rush to that. I just feel really amazing, and I'm really proud of you, Rachel. And you did it, and you overrode that like rational, logical voice in your brain, and you just did it, and you feel wonderful. So remember that.
Yay! Booyakasha!
Everybody dance. Lose yourself in wild romance. We go. Everyone's dancing their
Troubles away. Fighting the troubles. Join the party. See how they play. Woo! All night long. Woo! Great job.
everyone you meet. They're
Dancing in the street.
all night.
Woo! There she goes. Hi! Bum, 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 bum. Here, baby, leave. Oh yeah, push it. Work it. Work that booty. A new sensation.
All that's coming and going. And you will find out in the
Again? Okay. Woo! Shout out California!
For 10 years making rap tunes. Ever since Honey was wearing Sassoon. Now it's 95 and they clock me and watch me diamond shining.
Oh yeah, babe. California.
West Coast.
Shake it!
Knows how to party. Ow! Shake it, girl. city of Brooklyn. In the city. Woo! Coming up on your left. Brooklyn. Whoa. Keep me rocking. Ow! Shake, 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 shake. Shake it. Shake, 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 shake. East Coast. Palm Beach in the house. Long Beach in the house. Ow! Yeah. Woo-hoo. Give me some ass. Shake that ass. Oh, sexy girl. Get it. Get it. Get it. Take it.
Oh yeah, round of applause. Woo! That was amazing. Can't really see you.
That was
amazing.
That was our first dragon
Oh,
run. Yeah.
Oh my God.
No, but I literally felt like we were flying a couple times.
Yeah, we were flying.
We were flying.
We were totally flying.
Yeah. I felt like a kid again too. I was like, that's the feeling.
So
when you're a kid
much
and life's fun.
So fun.
Life is actually fun.
Yeah,
Yeah.
really fun.
That was like the best. More time.
Okay. We just got in, literally walked in the door, closed the door,
From having the bike ride of a lifetime.
which was freaking amazing, by the way. And we hear this, like imagine that, but like 50 times louder.
Like loud, like painfully, like something was gonna explode loud.
Sounded like a gas pump was like.
Or like a something was leaking, or like it was like something that was leaking and then about to burst. So that was the sound.
And I
of it.
said, what the F? And then I said, get the vlog.
Which I only heard what the F, and I
Yeah.
ran for my dear life and wondered why Laura was going towards the noise. She's apparently braver than I am.
I turned the light on and it was the computer, my iMac.
The big screen.
Yeah. So I just went over here next to the crazy ass noise and turned the power off. So odd. And it just started when we got in.
I think so. It wasn't. We would have heard it.
Yeah.
Out there.
Yeah.
We like walked in the door.
Yeah.
And it was like.
Oh, weird. I'm glad you came in with me, is all I can say.
I'm glad Laura didn't just get exploded by her computer.
I'm glad it didn't just get exploded by my computer.
What does it mean? You have like bug infestations and computer.
So weird.
Really weird. Do we have a link on it? ET phone home. ET phone home.
I don't know. Weird.
Well,
yeah. Okay, go. You do it first.
What did you get?
I just got "Don't be afraid to make a noise,"
Which we just were.
which we just
We were
were.
like singing at the top of our lungs. Well, I got a totally different. As if future selves communicating, like holographic, like future selves communicating.
Yeah.
Both of us, you know.
I like that.
Don't be afraid to make noise. That's a good one for me. It's a good one for today with Rachel too.
Yes. Yeah. Amazing. It's a fun day.
Holy mo.
Holy mo, we're freaking foul.
Holy flooper doo dooper dar. No wonder why I'm trying to jump ship.
Yeah. Do you have any messages for yourself?
Don't eat any more almond butter. Stop with the almond butter habit. hurts in my tummy.
Oh, does it actually hurt?
My belly hurts.
Oh, yeah. Almond butter. It's like you're not supposed to eat almonds in that amount.
I know, it's so good though.
I know, but yeah.
Yeah, so that's my message. How about you?
I liked your link today about brand and how I described it.
Well, oh.
That's forever going to be an inside joke.
You have to be in close proximity to Laura frequently.
Oh, you smell.
I'm strong.
Oh.
Hey.
Okay, maybe we should end the vlog now. It's like getting late.
We're
Getting to that time in the night where it could just get a little too.
Oh, shays keys.
Exactly.
Okay, vlogs.
Night,
Well,
night,
that was a
vlog.
fun day.
It was a fun day.
And a
Really fun.
interesting end. Mwah.
Night, night. Give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and subscribe. Bye. Love you.